Fresh out here, man.
Always good.
Always
you know
good.
me, no complaints.
Nice. I saw that was here.
Yeah.
Hlangana la passage kuleyo. Chobra nje nishani fandina.
Ungaphambani.
That's what he does for a living like. Right.
Awuphambene.
Lento kuyajela ngathi ngathi traumatized. Ukhulumela phansi right. Nehlutshwa mina mfuna uphuma apha ndisigcwele.
Phambene.
Abantu bawina ama-award, abantu bawini banemali ama-album aya gold, bathenga izimoto, unathi uvanga venture. And for that ufuna ngihamba venture ndizirenkele. Nethuswa ngabantu nathi nemali, thatha mali.
Hayi kaloku ubhadlilo nathi akafani nani
bathi. TV le mbona uthi ubejele, lo TV lo nathi ubone. TV le uthi le dali yenza nayo. And right kana Bob. And it's nice when Bob asks questions.
Yeah.
And Bob is the thing about. I don't know why Bob always wants to. This is the first time Bob was in 4 papers in the 7 p.m. news bulletin.
Tell me
TV.
Tell me what happened.
For utukwatise uTeraj.
Yeah.
Why yini kinga yakho jo? Umama lo bekala mama lo akuyizo lo bekala namhlanje.
Umama unyembe.
Oh eh.
Yeah.
Hey makafela hey njani mama, thank you. Oh Khuli, over to you. Okay. Teraj kulo like Khuli akati. Yonke imbuzo yayali. But to understand you, bro, Bob, is saying, when is the next time Bob also interview Ucharaj? Chances are it will never happen.
Do you know what I mean?
So Bob would say, "No opportunity." So tell us about your birthday. Is it 9/11? Yes. So on your cake you have a hand grenade.
It wasn't the news.
Hey, no, so you explode to what happened on a birthday? Do you commemorate or do you celebrate? Chirach was like, who the hell? So your baby daddy died? Wow. Did he die on 9/11? So you have a son? And his dad, so he was born. Chirach was like, can you talk about cooking? I don't care about cooking. I don't even watch the show. I want to talk about you. So tell us, you look very happy, but you are very sad. 4 newspapers, 2 online, 7 p.m. news channel, Joe. Very famous DJ. Here's a pop. We are smiling for no 26 years of reign. Moshe interview one. Moshe career so you explode. So on 9/11, do you stay home or do you take your hand grenades? What do you do? But at the same time, no one knew when she was
Hello.
born. Like terrorist attack. Heavy birthday terrorists. But you know my terrorist South Africa Gopi. Oh, but who pop? No, who was in there? But she beg Gopi. Shoprite. That's it. Tell her beba 50 pound. Iskopti polo. Simfune ngakuphi. Simbambe siqhubeke impilo zethu. Asinaloko sivikana nabantu abafaka amabomb thina. Kuna special Shoprite namhlanje oqala. Sonke sela 50% off. Siya lapha abasho ukuthi bazobe bakhona labantu lapho ori singayi thina. Asinufulfill into singazazi. Basiphoma senzeni. Sithatha nje imali. Sinabafundisi abagibela abantu ngeemoto. Alekhandri lena. Ubaba na use stadium ukhuluma into ibhedayo ukuthi the future of this country is in South Africa. I'm like, Pop bavalani le country. Yeah, confidence. The future of this country is in South Africa. Ngathi kanti ubani Mr. Sakho English. Ayavuma kwamatruka ase primary ayavuma. Penny and Betty was a boy. Penny was a girl or a boy. He is Betty and the boys. Who did you?
It would be nice if you went back to school, though, you know? I mean, can you imagine how many people Msholozi would inspire if he got his matric. Seriously.
Hi, Papa. Oh, hold on, dog. Sorry to disturb you. Hold on. Got his matric. Ngicela ngo4. Awumani populalela jo. Awumani vele shoot straight. Ngoba somdala wena ne. Vele ye matric. Hayi, uyaka 4. Uyaka 5. Umeli report. Ilanda abazali report abayinikwe. Awudabona report ka baba ilanda abazali nabazali angisebahamba. Fanele ngilanda umakhumalo vele. Sala the report ka baba. Ka 5. Salandele ufaka uniform leso sikhathi udate lana mathayi wabo lawa ama-stripe hamba nabo gwede nabo baleka mpethe. We want to see your results. We want to see. I hope ngiphasile. Salandele report ka baba. Cela abazali bahlale phansi ne-primary abanamsebenzi lana. Cela abazali bahlale ngapha. Bese Vos bahlasela azuma makhe. Hey, abafundi mabayalova. Pedro kunamagama nyana sinasa ngithi. Gedruthi. Gedruthi. Kehlekisa. Sikuba yonke into nama security bahlala phansi. Uhambe njani umfana? Ushukuma. Uzamile shemyena. How phasile. Kana high school cabanga usay high school. Ngalama specs. Uyathafika ka matric kuyobe kushona abantu abayingakhi pop. Dude. Awumani uye ku matric pop. Uyasebenza uyalaphana.
Yeah.
Ukupost matric ayikho post.
The future of this country is in South Africa. I'm like, okay. Siyabonga Teddy. But I know it was a nice sicela kamnandi. Sicela ngoPop vele amosha yonke into kule country. Ciao. Bam attack. Ina inkinga yakhe. Unempendulo ke lo baba. Pop, that interview was wrong. In which way? Tula. You have no right to attack Teraj. Kimang Teraj. But we can't ask the same questions. But we can't. Like, we go 4 radio stations, Pop. All those radio stations ask the same question. The same questions, good. Same questions. Ngachagazu yablo. No gazu yablo. But say about you go Pop Pop spice kile. But at the same time, why should we treat abantu bangaphandle as ngendlela different?
Abasiboni bona. Thina siyazibona.
Uzithola ikhwalila, ufika uhlala la. Asangabhoreke kanje la. You know this the music.
Boring.
Like Joe. No, khona mandoza la. Engabi kumnandi le studio. Umandoza udiya vele sikikoti zola. Samshebelele. Like ngithola ngabe kune life. Hayi mina vele ngibathathi, mina vele ngosikhumba ngibathathi serious. Anginamsebenzi nabo futhi. Futhi angibukele show mina.
But that's the thing, you know what I mean?
I don't think that show is good.
I've never watched that TV show. So and I knew other presenters because it was what we call a junket.
Yeah.
Where they line up everybody at the same time and they so welcome to the motherland. Oh hell no! What motherland? She wasn't born here. Oh hell no!
Higher traffic.
When you friend ngoma ka Jolina sibala Jelly. Akathuli. Mara mokuyi Motherland uzale be David Tone Eshon. Emma 7 ayivuka.